Wait! What are you buying retail for? Become a member and go direct to the manufacturer, as low as $50 a month. Learn more below.
Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at PerfectGardens.com. So today we're going to be talking about Grow Big, the hydroponic liquid plant food made by Foxfarm. So as you can see, the NPK is going to be a 326. For a number of years, initially when I was starting out owning a hydroponics store, I never really get why there was a blue bottle and the green bottle for Grow Big. Ended up realizing, oh, one's for hydroponics and one's for soil. Basically, this one's a lot lighter and you don't need as much fertilizer when you're using hydroponics. Why? It's because you're constantly providing food to the plant. So they've realized that by providing that little bit heavier concentrated formula in the regular soil blend, if you did the same situation, they were burning the plants. So they lightened up the mix and made the nutrients very specifically for hydroponics. Grow Big Hydroponics Liquid Fertilizer is a earthwork casting, Norwegian kelp, and essential micronutrients to support vigorous vegetable growth. So what is that? The micronutrients, they're basically saying it's not just the macro, but it's also some trace minerals in here as well. As you can see here, if you're using this product, you're probably buying your material over at a hydroponics store. So you're going to be still end up switching over and using the Tiger Bloom and the Bleak Bloom, which we'll be talking about in a little bit later video. When growing with hydroponics, you want to always make sure to be aware of your pH, because if it goes too low or gets too high, you're going to be dealing with nutrient lockout. And anyone that's growing in hydroponics knows when things go wrong, they can go wrong fairly quickly. So make sure to be on top of your pH. For general feeding, you're going to be using 2 teaspoons per gallon with every reservoir change. For heavy feeding, you're going to be using 3 teaspoons per gallon of water with every reservoir change. So once again, if you're using an ebb and flow, you're not going to be changing your fertilizer. You're just going to be staying on top of your pH. And after you have to re-top off your reservoir once or twice, you're normally going to swap out your nutrients at that point, just because you want to stay on top of any type of disease control or things like that. You can also use this product as a foliar program, and you'll be using this product as a ½ teaspoon per gallon every other week. Remember to not apply this nutrients in direct light, because it could cause little holes in your leaves, because the water droplet magnifies the light and causes a burn, basically, for anyone that is new to growing and is unaware of these things. You can find this product in pint, quart, gallon, 2.5 gallon, and 5 gallon. And for anyone that is buying a large amount of nutrients, I highly recommend you check out our membership program down below, which gives you direct access to all the manufacturers. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and have a great grow.
Don't worry, you're not going to get the coronavirus. We're practicing social distance. This is the internet.